In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, select Passwords at the bottom left corner and hit Add Passwords over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!